If you're the victim of debt collector harassment from Consumer Portfolio Services, Lemberg & Associates will fight for your rights to deliver the cash compensation you may be entitled to. We make lawbreakers pay. Abusive collectors are liable for up to $1,000 in damages plus court costs and attorney's fees. Reclaim your life, gain peace of mind, and stop lawbreaking debt collectors in their tracks. Since 1991, Consumer Portfolio Services, also known as CPS Debt Collection, has specialized in financing used car loans for consumers with poor credit or no credit, or who are low income. Moreover, Consumer Portfolio Services buys massive blocks of dealer-financed used car loans and then collects on them. The Better Business Bureau indicates that there have been 568 Consumer Portfolio Services complaints closed within a 3-year period, including 102 Consumer Portfolio Services complaints closed within 122 months. Yet Consumer Portfolio Services Better Business Bureau complaints aren't the only complaints out there. As of June 2012, there have been half a dozen complaints filed in federal court alleging violations of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act and the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Consumer Portfolio Services is also feeling the heat because of its use of predictive dialers in calling and texting consumers. When a debt collector like Consumer Portfolio Services or any other debt collection agency goes after a target market like the financially disadvantaged, there are horrendous stories of people being harassed and intimidated. You need to know that you can stop Consumer Portfolio Services from harassing you, even if you owe the debt. The first thing you should do is talk to them, at least once. Many people try to avoid dealing with debt collectors, but that only gives the debt collection agencies more ammunition to attack you. They may try to get you through coworkers, relatives, friends, and anyone else who they can possibly associate with you. However, you have the law on your side, because the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act states that debt collection agencies like Consumer Portfolio Services are entitled to contact people you know or who are related to you, but only to get your contact information. They are not allowed to discuss your debt with anyone other than you, your attorney, or in some states your spouse. The legal team at Lemberg & Associates is committed to holding debt collectors accountable and will fight for your rights under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act.